Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the market discussion series. So, as usual, let's start off with Bitcoin. So, Bitcoin, as you know, there was an attempt from buyers to push the price higher, but I don't see any significant volume. And if you look at 1 day time frame, there's no significant buying demand coming in. So that shows that there is no aggressive buying in the market. This can also be short covering. I think I did discuss it in my last video. This can be short covering in the sense, short sellers closing their position that must have triggered sort of buying, but it is an aggressive buying. We need to see very, very aggressive buying. So a couple of scenarios that we can watch out for in the market is price testing this level. The test of this bar is very much needed because you see this is that wide range bar. This is literally a significant bar in this Bitcoin chart. So we need the test of this level, and we need to see how the price is going to react from that level. If the price is going to reject badly with high volume and wide range candle, that shows there is more supply left in the market over here. Or how if whether the price is gonna react uh, less strongly, like in the sense there will be narrow range candle, less volume, but that shows that there is no much of selling activity at that price level, or even price holding this level, trying to break out. That also shows that there's less selling activity. Most bullish scenario will be price able to sustain above this level, above this price candle, the price sustaining above this level, and making higher low, higher high structure in the lower time frame. That is maybe like in 1 hour or 2 hours, or even in 4 hours. The price making higher low, higher high structure above this price level. That is also some kind of bullish signature. But yeah, the test of this bar is much awaited. I'm really looking forward to see how the price is going to react from there. As of now, the price is reacting to this level, this price point, whether there was some kind of selling activity, but not high activity, but there was selling activity, and the price is reacting to that. So yeah, even if the price react badly, if the price reject badly from here, that also that also shows selling activity. But yeah, if price reject from the if you are a futures trader, you want to trade, you can look out for these levels. These zones are good buying. Those good buying you can see in the candles in 4 hour time frame. So you can buy here, target these levels. At the moment, if you look at it in 4 hour, the price is ranging. So we need to know where the price breaks out and continues. We don't need just a breakout. We need a price continuing. We need price to close uh, outside this range. If it crosses below and comes down, we can try to play a long play here. Be good probability. You can also try to play here long as well. But yeah, that is for Bitcoin. If you look at Ethereum, Ethereum, let's start from 1 day time frame. Yeah, so Ethereum is, as usual, is just heading higher. Ethereum is covering up this bar. That is good. This is sort of an ascending triangle. So that shows that this supply over here, this one that pushed the price lower, breaking this swing point, they're absorbing that. This is sort of a contraction pattern over here. But yeah, if there's any pattern trader, this is an ascending triangle. So that is a bullish scenario for Ethereum. I'm really looking forward to initiate a long position. If I get a break above this, I might pick it up in lower time frame as well. This looks like a BCP to me over here. It's contracting, and trying to take out this supply over here that pushed the price. So yeah, this is really good long play for Ethereum. Another asset I was watching was sorry for this, Matic. So Matic has performed really well, really well. I'm looking at it in 1 week time frame. I'm actually swinging this in a 1 week time frame. I think I did discuss this in my last episode, I guess, and it's doing as you say. I mean, as we expected. It's showing some good buying over there. I'm waiting for how the price is going to react from here again. This all-time high sell-off isn't that great. Look at the volume, not much of a volume. If you look at CRS, the comparative relative strength indicator, which we use to compare to the overall market, it shows that Matic is still outperforming the market. So yeah, if you want to take the risk, you can play this break and to the all-time high again, because the reaction from the all-time high is not that significant. If you look at the buying, the way the price went up and the volume rise, that shows there was good buying. But if you want very good risk to reward ratio, the demand zone you should be watching out for are these. So actually, I was expecting, when the price was testing the all-time high, I was expecting the price to pull back till here, and I was planning to add more to it, but it hasn't come down yet. So there's two ways you can play this. You can either wait for the price to come back to these zones and play along, or buy more, whatever it is, based on your style. You wait for this breakout, sustaining above this, and catch another long. Because Matic is really, really not performer. Something else I wanna talk about is Sand. Sand is doing really well. Sand actually took out the 4th December sell-off candle. This was performing really well. This was really well. This was really doing very well, and now it's breaking above it, and it's sustaining above this. Shows that there is good buying in Sand, and it's performing really well. Even if you look at the CRS indicator, it is kind of outperforming the market. So keep an eye on Sand. Find demand zones or lower time frames, and you can play along in these. If you look at this is sort of a range, and you can wait for the price to pull back inside the range and play a long position. You can also pick it up at a demand zone over here as well. It's all up to your risk to reward ratio and the way you trade. So yeah, so that is Sand is something you need to watch out for. Another asset I want to talk about is FTM. Okay, something else I want to talk about is Tomo. Tomo is over here somewhere. I'm actually in the position. So I'm waiting for, I mean, you can wait for the test of this. Where is the marker? Yeah, sorry, my bad. Yeah, you can wait. This is actually testing this. You can wait to see how the price is testing. If it's testing badly, if it breaks this swing point, I'll get out. And I think that's also where my SL is currently at. But yeah, I mean, in the sense, if there's wide range bars, at the bottom, I might get out. But at the moment, it's looking good. I'm waiting. If you want to play along, if you want to initiate new position, wait for the break and sustaining about this, because this is that sell-off, and it's been reacting at that supply at the moment. This is that supply the price is reacting to, and if we can take that out and sustain about the supply, then you can look for long positions in Tomo. And the last asset I wanna analyze is FTM. So yeah, FTM was something I was looking at. I was waiting for a pullback, but this guy doesn't seem to pull back. But if you can keep an eye on this asset, because it just took out this wide range. The 4th December candle just took it out now. There's a lot of imbalance. I mean, there's a lot of up move. I think this might correct, because it's at a supply now and is reacting to it. I hope it just pulls back to a demand zone in lower time frames. You can find demand zones in lower time frames. This is a good one. If you want to find possible buying locations in up moves like this, you can pick up this volume profile indicator, and you can just plot it, and it just shows you where most buying happening from. So these are good buying places, these are good buying places, so these are probably demand zones, and you can try to find long plays over there on how the price react to. So yeah, and also, yeah, one more thing, in our CRS indicator, it's showing that our FPO is trying to outperform the total market cap. So yeah, keep an eye on these assets. So that's it for today. I will see you on the next one. Thank you.